Hey, welcome back to Google Apps Script. In previous sections, we have seen how to access data from access files from Google Drive, read the names of the files. We have also seen how to write files with particular data to Google Apps to Google Drive. In this particular tutorial, we are going to see how to read the data inside the files and update the data in Google Drive files. Hi, I'm Vivin Arana. Let's start with the project that we did in the previous video. So I'm going to go to this particular uh, project that we did where it's actually saving this file. Now what if I want to read the text from this particular file? So what we did here was we gave the folder name, we gave the file name, we said data to save. This is the data that I want to save, which is the current date time in Unix time format. I got the folder by that particular name, iterator, folder iterator by that particular folder name, and I checked if the folder exists. If the folder exists, I'm checking if the file exists. If the file exists, then I check and I say, yeah, file exists, don't do anything. If file doesn't exist, then we create a file. We don't have to give this variable here. It can be just folder create file. We don't need confirmation of it. If you want, it will return your value saying it's created or not. But if the file exists, I want to read the data from that particular file and display it. So let me do text from file equal to file dot get as, there you go. That's, now this is what type of file are you reading. So I'm saying I'm reading a text plain file. You can read JSON files, you can read special files, so you have to specify what is the format of that file, and then once I have that file, I can say get data as string. So this will give me the data from that particular file, and I can say file data is plus whatever I read from this particular file. So I'll get two different. Already I have the file. I have, if you look at it, has some data inside it. I want to display this data to my user. So I'm going to run this project. I'm going to go and open logs, and as you can see here, it says file exists and the file data that is inside it is this thing. Now what if I want to update this data? So let's say after I read this data displayed, I want to update it with the current date over there. So what I can do is I can take the file and I can say set content, and the content that I want to set is this data to save. So I can add this here, and that's about it. It will save this particular data inside the file. So to update the file, all you need to do is take the name of the file and say set content to whatever new data you want to save to that particular file. So you can read, update, or create files in the project. So let's go ahead and run this particular file and see if the data changes. And as you can see, it says file exists and the data is this. Let's copy this data, go back to this file and compare. So I'm going to paste that data here. So if you see this data, this is the older time and this is the current time that it saved. So it took this, read the data before what it was, and then updated it to the current date, and that's what happened here. So that's how you can write, read, update, save files into Google Drive and use it for a kind of like a database. You can save images, you can save videos, whatever you want from your website using this particular code from Google App Sheet.